I was watching a stream and noticed that Twitch has updated their clip that feature. And so just to show quickly how that gets done, because I think it's one of the cool things about using Twitch, watching someone on Twitch or streaming on Twitch, and then having viewers be able to clip little segments either for hilarity or for information or for shareability or social proof, whatever, all the marketing things, but more mainly just because it's fun, I think. So when you're watching a stream on Twitch, assuming you're logged in and the streamer has enabled it, I think you can disable this if you don't really want people clipping. Hopefully he says something
Except
interesting.
I do for sure need to keep "You Will Get One" because people
So let's just say that's really interesting and I want to clip that. So I click the create clip button. It used to go to a separate tab. Now it opens inside of the existing tab. It mutes the
we are boy you
main one, main sound, and then it looks like you can pop it open into a new window. But so now I've got what is this, a 60-second clip, and I can drag around in here and choose a start and end point on the last almost, what would that be? Probably like 2 minutes of his stream. And so let's say I just chop it down to 10 seconds and then I hit play.
learned. That's pretty good.
Super interesting stuff right now. And then what also you can do is they've added a portrait version that you can edit. So right now, obviously, it's just him streaming, let's say, but I could actually do a stacked thing where I choose this camera to be maybe just his head, a little zoomed in version of his head. And then this camera, I want like as much of this as I can figure out how to do within the parameters of a weird formatted. Ironically, if I go more of his head, which everyone I'm sure is wanting to see, I can also fit more of the code on screen. Or it could be gameplay, obviously, or whatever's happening on the screen. You could, like I had it before, with just one camera layout or the dual, and it'll save it on that channel for future clips for you to work with. Hit apply. Now that's saved as far as the different portrait and landscape versions. Give it a title, testing out clips with Wilto's channel for a screencast. Save it. So it's going to save that.
We are learned.
Once it's done, there you go. It gives you a URL that you can copy. You could download it. You could go and edit it some more, or you can share it automatically to social services, or you can delete it. So yeah, I could copy this link, open a new tab, hit paste, and that link, which is a weird, whatever URL, is going to be available for anybody to watch and share, etc. And the versions that you download, you can also get the landscape or the portrait version, so you can share it for Instagram stories, TikTok, wherever you happen to be sharing your important clips of screencasts. So that's how clips work. The channel streamer, like in this case, Wilto, will get notified that someone created that stream. You could paste it into the chat, and then I'm just going to mute here. You could paste it into the chat if you wanted to, and then people there would see it. So I created one earlier here, this weird URL that is in the chat, and then someone could click it and watch it. Again, presuming that the streamer has enabled clips, and then they can actually use that in their channel. So let's just go over to Lemoncast in my channel. They can actually have like featured clips that people have, or they themselves. So it'll show the channel name that it was from, and then clip by who is by. So obviously I clip my own stuff because that's how this is. And then yeah, you can watch it. Very important clips to be watched. So that's how you clip things on Twitch in, what are we, 2025.